Central is a product designed for arranging rides for others that can help you deliver a premium experience while controlling costs. This video explores how you can request and track rides and manage account activity with the Central dashboard. Let's take a look. First, log into central.uber.com to access Central. From here, pull up the Create New tab to request rides. Select a single ride. Next, enter rider name, contact information, and pickup and drop-off location, and request the trip. The rider will be notified and can track their trip on the phone, but they don't need to have the Uber app. You can add memos to help you track ride details when you're recording. You can also add a note to the driver with rider details for seamless pickup. Once a ride has been scheduled, Central makes it easy to keep track of past or upcoming trips. The Today's Activity tab lets you view rides happening today. Check on rides where the driver is still en route, monitor trips that are currently in progress. You can adjust trips and track rides in real time, just like with the Uber app, giving you the flexibility to better serve your riders. Find completed rides, access scheduled rides, and save and edit rides still being created. Examine any past rides using the Past Activity tab. Book return trips for one-way rides or book the same trip again. Connect with the driver to find a lost item. And if you need additional help, Uber is always there with 24/7 support. Now you're ready to get your people moving with the Central dashboard. Visit central.uber.com to get started.